darklings, Victoria Lovelace here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am very good as always, and as I always start at the beginning of my videos, I want to give you a little reminder to subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss all the new videos that is coming. So hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos. So with that, I'm gonna start with what this video is gonna be about. And in this video I have, look at this, I got a brand new package from Ginger Red Coffin. And you guys, I think you already seen I think 2 videos I did for Ginger Red Coffin unboxing, so you should definitely check them out too. So this is Ginger Red Coffin, this is the March box. And for you guys that don't know that what Ginger Red Coffin is a monthly subscription box, a Gothic monthly subscription box. And of course I put the link in the description so you guys can order your own box from Ginger Red Coffin. So let's see what is in this box. So I'm gonna start open this. Ooh, this looks very promising actually. Look at this. I'm gonna read what it is here. And it says Eat Your Heart Out collection. This sounds very promising. Look at this little card here. I'm excited, and oh, I can actually, when I open this box, I can actually, it smells wonderful. It has a wonderful smell. So this is gonna be interesting to see. This is Ginger Red Coffin, so I'm gonna open, and the packaging is so nice. I always feels really bad to open those. So let's see what this is and what we have here. So I'm gonna take the things out. Those are the ones that smells wonderful. Wow. Oh, I can't stop smelling. Have a wonderful smell. So let's see what we have here. So I'm gonna see what we have. What can this be? It's called goldstone. Goldstone is actually man-made stone. It sparkles due to cobalt or manganese in blue goldstone and flecks or copper in goldstone. So it's a little heart here, like a little sparkly heart, called goldstone. What can this be? Mr. Sugar to expire when eating. Everything like smells so good. Bag of blood. This is very interesting. Interesting what this can be. I guess it will say in this little card here. So it seems like it's some kind of vampire theme here, which is like, I understand they sent me this box. I understand that. Goldstone Heart, new aura vibes. Coffin candy blood bag. Candy blood, wow. What can be any more perfect for a magical vampire princess? Wow. Wow. That's gonna be interesting to try out. Candy blood. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Excited. So let's see what we have more here. This looks like a black candle. Black candle. Nice. Can't wait to try that out. And what do we have here? So another black candle too. Oh, look at this! Look at this pen with blood. Wow! This is so cool. This is so cool. This is for sure I'm gonna carry in my purse all the time because I always want a pen like that. Wow. What do we have here? Ooh, look at this one. Is this like looks like a little like mint box, maybe? Yeah, that's what it is. Cool. That's a coolest packaging of mints ever. Wow. Let's see what we have here. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. You guys should see. Look at those. Rest in peace. Oh, this is like the cutest ever. Look at those small notebooks. Wow. In form of a tombstone. A tombstone. Wow. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm dying. This, I think this is far my favorite Ginger Red Coffin right now. This is so nice. Oh, it's another one too. Look at this. This is like the cutest ever. Oh, look at this cute choker. A heart choker. I'm gonna open it and see. This is, I love the theme of this box. Wow. It's a little like heart choker there. Very cute. Let's see if something hiding here too. I see something very interesting here in the bottom. That's hiding here. Wow. What is this? This looks like, wow. Look at this. Look at this. It's actually a eyeshadow palette. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at those colors. And look at the packaging. This is like gorgeous. It's called Take My Heart collection from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. And you know, I love Lunatic Cosmetics Lab. I have a lot of product from them. And the packaging is totally amazing. And I couldn't believe that they put that in this box. This is like the best box ever. You guys should definitely order it. It's like, wow. Eyeshadow palette. Wow. This is like the cutest ever. Wow. So beautiful. Look at this packaging. It's just, wow. It's just wonderful. It's just so wonderful. I'm gonna see if there is anything more that hides here in this box. Oh, this, I don't really know what this is, but I think it was just for separating, but it's cool. So let's see if there is anything. And I think that actually was everything that was in this box. Wow, this is like one of the best monthly subscription box ever. And these actually have like some kind of like little like blood vampire theme. So you guys should definitely get the March box from Ginger Red Coffin, because it gets 5 points of 5 points as the best subscription box ever. This is awesome. I am surprised what is in this box. I am so surprised, and I can't wait to try out that eyeshadow palette later, and I'm probably gonna show you guys in another video with that. So I hope you guys liked this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.